Crypto. As cryptocurrency becomes more popular.
Welcome back to Sprintzeal Weekly's Crypto House series. In our last episode, we introduced the concept of cryptocurrency. Today, let's dive deeper into the technology that powers these digital assets, blockchain. Consider blockchain as a distributed digital ledger serving as a record-keeping system across a decentralized network of computers. This ledger records every transaction that's ever happened. It's a distributed database that stores information in blocks. These blocks are linked together in a chain, forming the blockchain. With this, it's impossible to alter or tamper with. Sounds easy to listen to, right? But how does it actually work? What makes blockchain so special? When you make a cryptocurrency transaction, it's broadcast to the network of computers. These computers, known as nodes, verify the transaction. This verification includes checking the sender's funds and the transaction validity. Once verified, the transaction is added to a new block, which is then added to the existing blockchain. This process is known as mining. Blockchain uses cryptography to secure transactions. It uses hashing to secure all kinds of information, from user credentials to the transaction ID and the owner ID. This means that once a transaction is recorded, it's virtually impossible to alter or reverse. Even if such a thing could be achieved by a hacker, the information still stays secure since only the targeted computer has the altered data, but not the entire network of computers. These share the true data in the ledger, and the majority wins. And attacking millions of mining computers is impossible. But how does the majority wins principle work? In a blockchain network, nodes validate transactions and add them to blocks. If there are discrepancies between different versions of the blockchain, the majority of nodes determine the correct version. This ensures that the network remains secure and consistent. Blockchain has the potential to revolutionize industries beyond just cryptocurrencies. To explore its applications in other industries like finance, supply chain management, healthcare, and more, companies invest in hackathons to find the best talent to further develop this technology. That's it for today. In our next episode, we'll be exploring more details on how does crypto work.